You're still with the countdown.
Results, they are of course coming in thick and fast. Sterlite Technologies came out with numbers. Anand Agarwal, CEO and Director at the company, joins us in this leg of the show. Anand, afternoon to you. Thanks so much for joining us. 35% growth in your top line. You've managed to grow your bottom line by triple digits this quarter. What's helped?
Shruti, essentially, overall the business is focused a whole lot towards optical fiber right now. So earlier what was a whole lot of copper cables is more and more optical fibers, and the fact that we are fully integrated gives us great leverage in terms of margins, and that's what is reflecting in operational results and then all the way down to net profits and EPS.
You brought up margins at 13.2% of your power transmission versus 10.2% same quarter last year. Are you looking at the maximum amount of traction on the EBITDA level coming in from the power transmission side?
Yeah, both the businesses, Rahul, the margin growth is happening. It's aided by the fact that we are seeing volume growth, and coupled with the fact that we are operating with a better mix, higher realization products. That's enabling the volume growth, and we believe this kind of volume growth as well as margin growth is sustainable for us.
Anand, what's the order book size as of date, and can I ask you to pin down a figure for us in terms of this volume growth that you're talking about? Which is the vertical you see it coming from, and what kind of growth are you comfortable projecting?
Order book currently we have is about 2,100 crores, and the volume growth we are seeing, as I said, both from fiber and power. On for instance, on fiber we have seen year-on-year growth. The 9-month growth is almost 45%, and on the power side we have seen a year-on-year growth of about 15% for the last 9 months.
Over what period of time and average margins are these orders executable, Anand?
These orders would be between 9 to 15 months. The power ones have a longer lead time, and the margins would pretty much be similar to the operating margins that we are currently operating at.
Anand, you have an enabling resolution in place to raise 1,500 crore rupees. Can you tell me what route the company is going to take to raise the funds, and what's the end use of the funds?
Essentially, this is just an enabling resolution to help the company for any future projects that we might be undertaking. So it's a pretty open resolution that we are taking advantage of the EGM that we'll be doing for the bonus and split issue. Currently, there is no route or proceeds. The use of the proceeds is decided.
So is it to be inferred that you would be okay with dilution if it came down to that?
If there is something very interesting in terms of growth, and it does require us to raise equity, then
keep an out on CMB. If you were to just outline for us from here on, this 9 to 15 months you said is the total time you execute the order book from, when will you start booking the revenues into your P&L? Will it start happening in the fourth quarter of this financial year or first quarter of FY11?
So the revenues booking will continue. This quarter, Q4, is the quarter where we typically do decent revenues as well as the order book increases. So the 9 to 15 months is on average the duration in which the current orders that we have in our hand will all finish out. But at the same time, we'll be booking a significant amount of orders in Q4 and Q1, which will take us further.
All right, Anand, we'll leave it at that for this afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us. That's Sterlite talking about the numbers that they've got coming out. Talking about
good set of numbers from GAIL, very strong set of numbers from Infotech. We'll be trying to get you all those managements as well. For now, let's slip into a very short break. When we come back, we'll get Ram to comment on some of these numbers as well as focus on some more that are due right now. JP Associates will try and analyze those numbers as well when we come back. Stay tuned.